Welcome to Shore Talk. Shore Talk is designed to keep you better informed of what's going on here on Virginia's beautiful Eastern Shore. Now, here's Shore Talk.
We're going to have the Golden Spike Railroad Festival. And we're going to have a lot of stuff going on that day, many things going on. We're going to have a car show. And this car show, we're trying to get the largest car show on the Eastern Shore. And it's not only going to be a car show, we want anything that you find interesting or exciting, whether it's a speedboat, four-wheel drive truck, a bicycle, whatever. Bring it out, show it. If you think it's interesting, probably we will too.
You gonna be doing lawnmowers too, or?
Well, we haven't decided on that yet,
Okay,
but that's a possibility. And one thing that we'll have 10 different classes, first, second, third place trophies. And even if your car or bike or whatever, even if you don't think it's going to win a trophy, anybody who signs up that day will get a ticket, and at the end of the day, we're going to draw the tickets out of a jar, and you will have a chance of winning $100 in cash money. So that's a little something different we're doing doing for this car show. So bring out your car, your boat, your motorcycle, whatever you think is neat. We're going to think it's neat too.
So if you don't win anything, you might still have a chance to win something.
You might still win $100. That's right. That's right. You might not get a trophy, but you might win $100.
Well,
And
you can buy a trophy with $100. That would work.
That'll work.
Yeah.
That'll work. We're also going to have entertainment all day long. One of the our headline band is going to be the H.M. Johnson Band. H.M.'s a shore boy. He grew up right there in Parksley, and he's made a name for himself. So he'll be there entertaining us. We're going to have carriage rides, horse and carriage. So that's something a little neat. Another musical group that we're going to have is the Axe Church in Temperateville's worship band. So they'll be there. They have a wonderful band, I understand, and they'll be there entertaining us. We're going to have a strongman competition, which once again, you don't have to be Arnold Schwarzenegger to do this. It's going to involve driving in a railroad spike. So if you can drive a spike in with a hammer, you have a chance of winning this. And this is also a $100 prize. You'll win $100 for the strongman competition. So that's kind of neat. And some of the other things we have going on that day, the Navy will be there. They'll have a Navy display and an honor guard. NASA will be there with a display and an exhibition. We're going to have VIMS from Wachapreague. They'll be there with all kinds of aquariums and all types of live sea creatures, and I'm told the kids will even be able to feed the sea creatures.
Wow.
Yeah, something I've never done, and unless I went fishing. And we're having a donut eating contest. We're having all bounce houses and games. We're having a raffle and scavenger hunt that day. Having lots of good food, and we're also having Miss Golden Spike will be there available.
Golden Spike.
Miss Golden Spike will be there available to take pictures and sell you raffle tickets and this type of thing.
Do we know who Miss Golden Spike is yet?
I do not. Some people do, but I do not know her name. But I will be reporting back as we move forward.
Right.
But she has been picked.
Okay.
Also, something that's going to be going on that morning. The Grace.
Not Fred, is it?
It's not Fred.
Okay.
Trust me.
All right.
No, it's not Fred. Something else that's going to be going on is the Grace United Methodist Church is having their fall market that day. So if you've never been to that, that's very exciting. They'll also be having a flea market in the park like they usually do. And so that's kind of neat. That always draws a big crowd. And another thing that we sort of want to mention is that we're doing things with these towns, the various towns on the Eastern Shore. We're all trying to pull together to promote ourselves. Bloxham will be there with an exhibition and a table. Our friends in Cape Charles will be there. Folks from Nancock will be there, and Only I believe is setting up a whole model railway display.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that'll be fun. So I think we've got something for most anyone to come and enjoy themselves between the car show, the scavenger hunt, the raffles, the bounce houses, the strongman competition, and the carriage rides, and all the rest of it. There'll be something
for somebody.
There'll be something for everybody. And we are looking for 2 more food vendors. We have most of our food vendors set up. We're looking for 2 more food vendors. So if you're a food vendor, you can call 665-4618. That is the Parksley Town Office, and tell them you want to sell food. And we're not crossing over anybody. So if you're selling clam sandwiches, you'll be the only one selling clam sandwiches. So that's something to think about. So anyway, we're we're hoping for a big crowd, and we'll be adding more things as time goes on. As I said, this is October 6th, so we have time to.
Oh yeah, plenty of time.
Plenty
It'll
of
be
time
a
to
nice,
do
good
more.
time of year. Is there a rain date, or is that
There is no.
we're not even going to.
We're not even talking about
okay,
rain. We don't. That's not even in our vocabulary. And if you're the type of person who wants to sell canned goods, things that you've canned or pickled or whatever, we have space available for that. The booths are $30. And so we hope you'll come out and join us.
All right. That's October 6th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. in downtown Parksley, kind of a reincarnation of the old Parksley Fall Festival.
Yes, that's exactly right.
That's
We did this for many, many years, from 76 to 2000. And then we stopped doing it. And it's been some time since we did one. But since we're getting a new library in town, and we've got new businesses in town and our war memorial and some other things, we thought we'd throw a little party and let everybody see what we've got.
Good time to do it again. All right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Charlie. Appreciate it.
Thank you for listening to Shore Talk. This interview has been recorded and is available on WESR's YouTube page. To schedule a Shore Talk for your community event or organization, call us at 757-787-3200 or email Nancy at WESR.net.